John, we're here at the trade show on the Mate Precision Tooling stand. To start with, can you tell us a little bit about the company?
Yes, Mate Precision Tooling is a US-based company started back in 1962, and we service sheet metal fabricators around the world with premium tooling products. One of our biggest differentiators is that we offer what is called our My Guy service, which are all of our direct representatives, sales representatives, as well as our dealer representatives are used to and can provide perfect solutions to customers' problems on site. Help them solve an issue, help them with maybe some cost savings opportunities, whatever their needs. That's one. They have the depth and breadth of experience in serving sheet metal fabrication.
You talk about tooling. How vast is your range? What type of tooling do you supply?
Well, we supply all types of tooling. We have thick turret tooling for Armada and Fin Power or Prima Power, and Euromac machines. We sell Wiedemann tooling, both 114 and our own Marathon brand for Murata Wiedemann machines. We also service the Trump with our Trump style tooling and Salvagnini style tooling.
And it's fair to say you're supplying those brands, but equally you're supplying end users as well.
We work with directly with end users. We work with also independent fabrication shops and directly with product manufacturers.
If I can push you just a little bit more,
Sure.
Mate Tooling, you're not the only company in this space. What makes you a little bit different? Is it your technical ability? Is it your range?
It's the technical abilities, what I talked about earlier with the My Guy service attitude, and also our products are made with premium steel. For example, the tips on our QCT tooling here are made from M4PM powdered steel. This happens to be our innovative product that we started coming out with a few years ago, called QCT for Quick Change Tooling. As soon as I'm fumbling here, you'll edit this, I hope. Basically, it solves an issue where you buy the replacement, you buy the driver, and then the replacement inserts, and all you're doing is replacing the inserts instead of the whole tool. And ours is very intuitive, easy to use, no tools required. You just click it in, and you're put it in the machine, and you're ready to punch.
So there we have it, Mate Precision Tooling. Appreciate your time.
Thank you.
Have a great show.
Thank you.